G'day guys, and welcome back to my garbage kitchen channel. And my sister's laughing. And we're gonna make a 1 cup dough, pizza dough. So we've got a cup there. It's going to be a cup and actually a cup and a half. There's another half over here. So we'll throw that in. Okay, we're going to put a half a teaspoon of salt. Bang. Half a teaspoon of raw sugar. That's what my sister uses. Okay guys, now my sister makes her own yogurt. Quite simple to do. Now we're going to use yogurt in this. No yeast. By the way, it's self-raising flour that she used. And she's going to put how many tablespoons?
2.
2 tablespoons of yogurt's going to go in. She's made this dough so many times, absolutely out of this world. We're going to go in with about a half a cup of water. She's going to adjust the water as we go anyway. Okay, go for your life. And then we're going to give that a mix. Okay, we're going to mix this for around 5 to 6 minutes. If you're doing it by hand, kneading it by hand, you'll do it for about 8 minutes, something like that. So guys, the dough's ready to go. It's been in the stand mixer for about 6-7 minutes. Look how soft that dough is. That's what you want. You don't want it too dry. And then we're going to let this rest for a little bit. Now remember, this is a yeast-free dough, easy to make. We'll let this rest, and then we'll start our pizza. Okay guys, my sister's made them into flat, kind of round flat balls there. I'm going to let these rest. You're still going to let the dough settle down, obviously the gluten.
Well, I'm
yeah, she's going to cover and let these rest for roughly about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll be right to go. Okay guys, now we've put the dough into the bottom of the tray of the air fryer. Now this is only going to be a cheese, mushroom and Kalamata olives. The actual dough fitted perfect for this. This is a 3-litre tray. Now let's put it in the air fryer. I think roughly around about 10 minutes on about 200 degrees. We'll check it as we go. Let's cook it. And there you have it, my friends. Have a look at this for a pizza. I've got put some basil, fresh basil out of my sister's garden. Just some cheese, some mushrooms, some olives. No salami, no nothing, no meat. Perfect as it is. Air fried for about 10 minutes. You might have to fry the bottom, but this is a thicker dough. But if you've got an air fryer, I mean, I'm not really a big fan of them, but hey, give it a go. Hope you like this video. Jack's Garbage Kitchen. What do you reckon, sis?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect for garbage.
Yeah. I'll see you later.